Human body vs nuclear explosion simulation. What happens when you're standing this far away from a nuclear explosion and you're made out of meat? Like all of us. You're standing far away. Will you survive? Biggest concern is proximity. 20 kiloton Trinity test. Zone 1. Light blast damage. 3 kilometer. Wow, the noises are... sounds like a dog. A lot of data here. 6 seconds. 6 kilometer an hour. Blindness. Wait. What is it? Blindness. Thermal radiation pulse. I don't know what is that. The second degree burns. Temporary in some pub. Okay. Hearing loss. Wow. You're blind and can't hear anything anymore. Wow. Jesus. Oh, God. You're cooked, bro. Your face are cooked. Zone 1, light blast damage. He's burned. Can't hear, you can see. He's the one. Alright, Zone 2, moving on. Closer. We hear the dogs again. Zone 2, moderate blast damage, 5 psi. What is it telling me? I don't know. Eardrum rupture, concussion. Boom. Whoa. So this time he flies. Is he cooked, though? Now he's well done. No, he's not. He's medium. He's still medium rare. Oh God, look at his ear. It's exploded. Alright, round 3. Getting closer, 600 meters from blast radius. I guess, right? A lot of things go on. Gonna fly away like a bird. Whoa! Look at him. Oh God. Jesus. This is the best video on YouTube, come on! Wow. Is it dead now? Is it worth living anyway? After that? Wow. Is it worth living now? With the damage? What is the damage? Please tell me. Oh my God, look at that. Gastronomical ruptures. Just look at him. Liver. Oh, okay, it's not worth living anymore. Zone 4. 200 to 350 meters. You're burned. You're smoke. You're literally well done smoked steak. Whoa. You're in the center of business. You're in the center of everything. Body dismembered by heat wave. Whoa. Oh, wow. Oh, that's like in the movie. That's cool. Look at him. He's burned. Say in the movie Oppenheimer. Whoa. I'm coming to get you. You're vaporized. Oh, wow. If somebody found him, it's like going to be like just smoke. 200, less than 200 meters. If you're in the fireball, baby, this is the place you want to be. It's way better than anything else. You just way off, die quickly. So 5 fireball, thermal radiation, you're just gone, you're disappearing, you're vaporized. Oh God. You're in the center of the business, baby. You're gone. You are gone. You wasn't even existed. You're in the ball of death. You're cooked. You're nothing. Whoa. You got the best view in the house. Whoa. This is hell. Vaporized. This is the best video on YouTube, right? Wow. Vaporized. You're gone. You're not even flying, you're just disappearing into nothing. Zone 5, there are more zones? This is the same zone, right? The fireball. Is it another zone? I can't remember if it was zone 4 or 5 before of that. No, that was the one. Where do you want to be? I think the best position is to be in zone 5, when you're just gone.